Hi all. Okay, today I'm going to work on a 12 by 12 and I'm going to use my hair dryer and do a Dutch pour. I'm only using 3 colors today. So I'm going to use my Lukas Magenta, which is actually more pink. I think it's looking pretty good on the lens. And the Lukas Sap Green. And one of my favorites, Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue, which isn't showing up exactly the color that it is, but so many people are familiar with it. I'll show you the tube, see if it shows up any better. Yeah, that looks a little bit better. Alrighty, so let's get started. I already prepped my canvas. Floetrol and white paint. Floetrol 2 parts, white paint 1 part. A little bit of water. Tape the bottom, push pins, and let's get started. Alright, put some green on here. And let's put the pink on top of that. And again, these are the bottles that I got at the Dollar Tree. 2 in a pack for $1. And the cap is attached, which I like because I have a tendency to lose caps. And Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue. I'm just going to put this a little all over the place. And just a little white outside. A little curly white. And here we go. Now let's see what happens. Very pretty blend of colors. Alright, give it a little twist of the wrist. Put some more of those colors out there. Let's get some more of this pink going. You see a lot of cells. Alright. Push this over a little bit. Just hit my canvas. It doesn't look bad though. It's kind of pretty. Alright, come on. You can do it. A little bit further. Trying to get some of that pink down here. I actually kind of like where I touched the canvas right there because it broke up some colors. There's some cells here, cells are coming up over here. In the camera, it looks like a butterfly from your angle. Okay, I think I like it. Pretty nice. Let's see if I can get this. No, maybe I better not. I was going to try to turn it a little bit to get this to move, but then I don't want those two to move. Let me bring it up closer to you guys so you can see that. That looks really pretty. That one. So let me see what you guys are seeing, because I see a butterfly in the camera. Kind of, sort of. You can see where I made that mistake, but not mistake, in the center. I like it. Maybe I will, let's see, let's stretch it out maybe a little bit. I think I'm going to leave it and see what it does on its own. Yeah, I like it. Let me do some blowing on it. Let's see. No, I don't like what that did. Just tried that a tiny bit. What I can do, let me get the stick. Let's go like this and see if we can kind of separate that. Separate this one. Bring some white in the center. Bring some white here. That looks pretty neat. Let's try that again. And let's try it again from over here. A little bit thicker. The colors are probably going to run together anyway. So, now I'll tilt it a little bit. Just a little. Just a little. The pink's coming down more. Let's go this way. Oop, now it's going over that way. So I wanted to go off the canvas. See what I'm doing. Alright, one more spot where I can take that white down. Let's try this. There we go. I like that. What do you guys think? Yeah, I like it. Pretty cool. And this was just a quickie little thing I put through together. I thought, well, I have this canvas all taped and push pinned up. Let's try something. Put a little more white here to cover this. I think I got a little color there. Set down a little bit with my finger. Alright. There's a little doohickey there. Okay, it'll dry flat. Oops, I got I'm going to tilt it a little more this way again. Alrighty. I like it. So that was a quick little Dutch pour. Alright. I hope you liked this video and subscribe. And I'm going to be doing more with my little leaf blower too. So thanks for watching, and bye-bye. So, since ending this video, I was looking over this painting, and lo and behold, I see two birds. I no longer see a butterfly. Thought I saw a bow, but I see two birds. And I'm going to come down closer and point them out to you. Be right back. Okay, so here is bird number 1. Here is his head and his beak and an eye, his wing, his legs, another wing, and this is where their beaks meet, and this is bird number 2. How super cool is that? Let me show you a close-up of their heads. I'm telling you, you gotta love abstract art. Never know what you're gonna get. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I have. I hope you continue to watch. I love doing these videos and these demonstrations. And I hope you like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.